Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to do a quick update. I got a very upsetting call this morning from the home health agency, and apparently the lift chair that I was told up from my insurance that I was getting, I am not getting after all. The only part of the chair that the insurance covers is the motor. The cheapest lift chair, just a very basic, no bells or whistles lift chair that this home health company had, that I would have to pay for, starts at $700 out of pocket. I've pretty much been out of work since December. I didn't have that much money, so I told him to just forget it. I went online to Amazon. I actually found an absolutely amazing lift chair. It has everything. It has 2 cup holders, it has heat, it has massage, it has built-in USB ports, it has everything you could possibly want in a chair for $420. So I called my neighbors who have been taking excellent care of me. They said, order it. They will find some help getting it put together when it comes. It will be delivered on Friday. So I did have to use a credit card that I had just recently paid off. I really didn't want to do that, but I really needed a chair, so I went ahead and put it on my credit card. But at least I know I will have a chair that doesn't take every ounce of energy I have to get out of. So that's my update for this morning. I did manage to make a pot of coffee this morning, so that tasted so good. That was the first pot of coffee I've made since I went into the hospital, so I'm doing okay in that department. I was just so defeated when I heard I was going to have to pay that much out of pocket for a chair. The jacked up home health company prices are absolutely ridiculous. So if you are all ever in a spot where you need extra help and are told you have to pay out of pocket for stuff, do some shopping around. Find some cheaper prices elsewhere, because there are cheaper options out there than home health company prices. So just some advice from me to you that I have found out the hard way today. So look on Marketplace, look on Free Cycle. Unfortunately, I didn't find anything there that I could utilize, but check those places first. And then check Amazon, check Walmart delivery. Even Home Depot had cheaper lift chairs than what the home health company had. So it was absolutely, utterly ridiculous. So by Friday, I will have an absolutely amazing lift chair that will not take every ounce of energy I have to get out of. So I'm just so excited and relieved. So I just have 2 more days of dealing with getting in and out of this recliner. The home health nurse will be out at some point tomorrow. I have a telehealth appointment with my primary care today. Hopefully we'll get some lab work done and to make sure my calcium's up. Y'all, this has been quite a ride, so I hope y'all are having a blessed day. Stay safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.